Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at some great deals on some of Tribit's best earbuds and speakers. Now you can pick these up online. I'll throw the link up in the description. Check out the savings. Now this is from Tribit's website. This starts November 4th to November 24th. You can get the Tribit Stormbox Blast with 25% off. Now you can also get up to 80% discounts for all of Tribit's products. Now you also got Amazon deals. Now this starts November 14th. All Tribit products have a 20 to 30% discount. Now you can get an additional 10% discount on the FlyBuds C1 and the FlyBuds C2 using the code Flossy11. Now you got an extra promotion, buy 2 of any Tribit products and get the best price of the year. Now, from November 15th to November 24th, most Tribit products have 15 to 30% discounts. Now you can get an additional 10% discount for the following products: the Stormbox Blast, the Stormbox Pro, the MoveBuds H1, the Stormbox Micro 2, the FlyBuds C1, and the FlyBuds C2. Just use the code Flossy00. Now you can get even more discounts with Amazon Prime. Now don't forget to check out the Black Friday and Cyber Monday deals. You get 20 to 40% discounts. Like I said, I'll throw the links up in the description. All right, so let's get right into it. All right, now this is not going to be a full in-depth review of each of these products. I'm going to show you how they look and tell you how they sound. Now, some of them I already have full reviews on, so I'll leave the link up in the description. All right, so let's get started. First things first, shout out to White Shoes, back in the building.
I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes. I love my
White shoes. Calm down. Okay, so let's start off with the FlyBuds C1. All right, shoes, let me file you to the side. The Tribit FlyBuds C1. Now, here's the charging case. And on the side note, bang. Shout out to Tribit. Okay, threw the name on there for me. Now, at the end of this video, I'm going to tell you about a big giveaway that I'm doing. Okay, so here's the charging case. Here's the earbuds. Now, they look like a set of black AirPod Pros. I like that. With the red trim. Now, I actually never heard these before, so this is going to be my first time. So let's go ahead and put them in. I just paired them up to my phone. Okay, now you see it says Tribit FlyBuds C1. Okay, so we got the new Drake album. Let's see how they sound. First time listening, maximum volume. Woo, okay. Okay. Now that bass is rumbling. Okay. Oh, yeah, okay. Yeah, all right, let me pause it. Now, I will say this. If y'all watch my videos, you know how I feel about Tribit products. They're one of the most underrated companies in the electronics game right now. Now, these Tribit FlyBuds C1s, okay, these sound pretty dope. A lot of bass, crystal clear highs and mids. Yo, you got to check these out. All right, so like I said, I'm not going to make this video take too long. We're just going to run through these real quick. But these are a definite go. Let's keep it moving. All right, so next up, let's take a look at the MoveBuds H1. Okay, now these have Qualcomm aptX. You got IPX8 water resistance. The battery life is 15 to 50 hours. You got transparency mode and CVC 8.0 for phone calls. Okay, now here's the charging case. Y'all see the logo. Here's how it looks inside. Now these are perfect earbuds for the gym. Y'all know how I feel about gym buds. They gotta have the wings. All right, so let's slap these on. I already paired them up to my phone, and let's try them out. Okay. Now, since these are gym earbuds, let me do a quick head shake test. Yeah, no movement at all. I took it right to maximum shakage. Okay. MoveBuds H1. Now we got some future. Let's hit play on these. Okay. Max volume. Okay. Okay. Now, they sound good. I'm waiting for that bass. Let me know if I'm yelling y'all too, because I got the volume up extra loud. Okay, I'm waiting for the bass drop. ATI Jacob. Woo! Okay. All right, now I'm having too much fun. Let's pause. Hold up. Okay. Again, Tribit is out here winning. these sound excellent. These will be perfect for the gym. Okay, so these are the MoveBuds H1s. I am feeling these. Let's keep it moving. All right, so next up, let's take a look at the FlyBuds C1 Pro. Now these have hybrid active noise cancellation. You got transparency mode. The battery life is 8 to 28 hours. And you got 6 mics for crystal clear phone calls. Now here's how they look. You got the stems. Okay. Here's the charging case. Bang. Okay. LEDs on the front. Let's go ahead and drop them in. Okay. Now you can immediately feel the noise cancellation. You see I already paired them up. FlyBuds C1 Pro. All right, so let's check these out. Okay, now I got, okay. I got some Ashanti Rocket. Okay, excellent clarity. That bass is thumping. Okay. Now, I promised y'all I wasn't going to sing, though. Can you rock with me? Can you roll with me? Can you take it to the top with me? I just want to love you, babe. All right, let me not get carried away. Okay. FlyBuds C1 Pro. Again, another hit from Tribit. Now look, y'all seen me review Tribit products in the past, okay? You already know what to expect. These sound great and the price is right. Okay, so check out the FlyBuds C1 Pros. Let's keep it moving. All right, so next up, let's check out the FlyBuds C2. Now these have Qualcomm aptX. You got 4 mics. The playback time is 8 hours. You got CVC 8.0 for your phone calls and superior sound. Now here's the charging case. Bang. Okay, you see the logo. LEDs. Now these earbuds do not have the rubber tips. Okay, so these are going to be more comfortable for all day wearing. All right, so let's go ahead and drop them in. Now I already paired them up. Okay. Get the music going. 50 Cent, one of my favorite songs. Okay, definitely nice and loud. You can feel the bass. I just want to chill and twist the lock. Catch stunts in my 745. Okay. All right. So these are the FlyBuds C2. Again, no rubber tips, so they're going to be a lot more comfortable. And all of these Tribit earbuds sound pretty good. Now, let's check out some speakers. All right, so now let's check out one of my favorite speakers, the Tribit Stormbox Micro 2. Now, check out my full review if you want to see why this is one of my favorite speakers, but I do not travel without this speaker. Now, this one is IP67 water resistant. You got Bluetooth version 5.3, long battery life, superior sound, and you can pair 2 of these together for party mode. And you also got the built-in speakerphone. Now, check this out. Bang. That's me. Now, if you want to, you can put this on your bike, hang it on your bag, go crazy. I paired up 2 of these together. Like I said, these are going in my bag right now. I'm leaving to go on vacation in a couple of hours. But check out how these sound paired together. This is crazy. Now, let me give you some true advice. Buy 2 of these. One of them sound great by itself, but you need 2 of these. It's amazing how much sound you get from 2 small speakers like this. Now, if you go on a trip and you're staying in a hotel room or something, you put one on one side of the room and one on the other side, and these are going to blow you away. All right, the Tribit Stormbox Micro 2, definitely one of my favorite Bluetooth speakers. Let's keep it moving. All right, so now let's take a look at the Tribit Stormbox Blast. In my opinion, this is one of the best deals that you're going to find on a portable Bluetooth boombox. Now, check out my full review and then check out my other video where I put this side by side against the JBL Boombox 3, a speaker which is more than double the price, and they was running neck and neck. This is easily one of my favorite Bluetooth boomboxes. You got a ridiculous battery life, you got the RGB lights, you got extra bass mode, and you can pair two of these together and blow your house up, okay? With Flossy Carter Brandon, check this out. Listen to this. Hear that bass? Watch the vibration. Crazy. Bro, like I said, this is the best deal that you're gonna find on a portable Bluetooth boombox, the Tribit Stormbox Blast. All right, let's go ahead and wrap this up. All right, so hit the link in the description, check out these amazing deals, and don't forget to use my discount code. Now, on a side note, if you've seen my Tribit Stormbox Blast review, remember, I'm the guy who got them to lower the price, so now I'm getting them to pass some savings on to y'all. Thank me later. But I will say one more thing. Shout out to Tribit for sending me some extra devices, which I'm going to give away live on my next Amazon Warrior stream, which starts in December. All right, so check out the Tribit Black Friday deals. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about these. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Boxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. A special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know. Stream gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No beat boys allowed. Oh yeah. Special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat. Flossy_Carter. That's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I see y'all in the comment section early. #salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture roll. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces. Spock won the beam up. Energize.
We're in a situation where everybody in the world uses technology. And if you're gonna buy some of that technology, you gotta understand certain things. Subscribe to Flossy Carter. He does reviews of all the latest technology. The iPhones, the iPads, the Galaxies, the Samsungs, whatever the fuck. The Beats by that doctor guy. And he puts his kitty cat in the videos too for you something to look at. You know, I'm an animal lover, so I like that shit. So make sure you hit the subscribe button to Flossy Carter on the YouTube, the follow button on the Instaface, and the like button on the Facebook. Because if you don't, we're gonna have a fucking problem here. A bad one. Now hit the fucking subscribe button.